Hi friends. Welcome again to Power BI course. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic, which is data modeling. We will remain on basic level and use very simple way to discuss the basic concepts. My discussion might be not very exact in technical terms, by the basic purpose is to convey the concept. I will start as if you do not know anything on this topic. Please remain with me till the end of this topic. It's more descriptive, so it's very important that you listen very carefully. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, then what you are waiting for, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too. Let's start the topic. I will recommend that you grab your tea or coffee now and sit with me till the end of this video. Normally we put all data in Excel rows and columns and apply a pivot table and think that we have created a database, which is the very crude form of databases and has lots of data redundancies. It takes more space, and when data grows it becomes slow also. How many of you are familiar with relational databases? In simple words, if we keep our data into various tables and these tables are linked to each other, then in this case our database is relational database. The link is also known as relationship. In given below diagram you can see various blocks. Each block represent a table and all these tables are linked, so this picture is representing relational database. When we keep our data in tables, then each column is called a field and each row is called a record. Let's take a more closer look. In this diagram we are showing that two tables are linked. Then it means that one field of small table is linked to another field of large table. So the field which has unique records in one table is called primary key, and the field which has repeated records in another table is called foreign key. The link joining two tables is called relationship. Little confusing, no issues. Soon we will discuss an example which will clear your concepts. So now you know there are two types of fields. 1. Primary key. 2. Foreign key. Let's focus now on relationships. There are three types of relationships. 1. One-to-one. 2. One-to-many. 3. Many-to-many. One-to-one means where for each record of one table a corresponding unique record is available in second table. One-to-many means for each unique record of first there are more than one records available in second table. Many-to-many means that each table has repetitive or duplicate records. The relationship which is most commonly used is one-to-many. Just think for a second, it's just like VLOOKUP in Excel, which I have one field known and I want to fetch further details from another table. Let's imagine that you have an Excel file where you have daily sales record, which has following details: date, product, quantity, rate, VAT, city, city zip code, other city info, and country, country code, and other information. In this case we have two types of data. Facts data, sales order details like product, quantity, and rates. Reference data, city code, GPS coordinates, country code. Remember one more fact, that to control typo mistakes normally you use data validation in Excel so that you can control the inputs. In this case reference tables also act in similar fashion and relationship works as VLOOKUP for you. Let me elaborate it more for you. In this example, from right to left you have country table, city table, and order table. You can see that each country is unique in country table, but there are repeated countries in city table. Same is the case with order table, that cities are repeated but orders are unique. And all these table are having one-to-many relationships. I hope now you are clear with relationships, and in most of the cases it works. Rarely we have to use one-to-one or many-to-many relationships. Before I share a bigger picture, I just wanted to remind you to subscribe my channel now. Since now we have developed basic concepts, so let's see how to design the database or do the data modeling. Although I will share 4 steps, but with experience you will be performing these steps almost simultaneously. 1. Understand or design on paper how your end report should look like. 2. Then based on your report requirement understand what data is required. 3. Based on second step what sort of data tables will be required. 4. At last understand how you will update your required data tables. Basically step 2 and 3 are called data modeling, but these impossible without step 1 and 4. I will recommend you now design a small sales report and do the data modeling for it. In case you need any help, then share your comments and I will be happy to reply to you. Friends, this is not the end of this topic. I will share another video on data modeling with some more explanation in context of business intelligence. So please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification for next video as soon as it is published. This video was done based on request of Mr. Naveen from Sri Lanka. If you want me to discuss any topic of your interest, then please do share in comments section.